Welcome to the video guys. Let's see how we can generate text from text and image input. Gemini API supports multimodal input in the form of text, image or even text plus image. Let's see the development part of things. In this specific example, generate content method accepts prompt in the form of array, one being a text-based prompt and the second part being the image part. We have a specific function file to generative part would accept a path and a MIME type. Path being the path to the file itself and MIME type being the type of the file like image/jpg. The function converts image file into a format that can be sent to the Gemini API as part of the request. This specific part of the code converts raw file data into the base64 string. Base64 is a way of encoding binary data like image into text so it can be easily sent over the internet. Basically, we are calling file to generative part function which will return the base64 string of the file in a format that Gemini API supports. You have another variable prompt which is a text-based input which is to describe the image in 3 lines. Let's see it in action. I had passed an image of Taj Mahal and the response looks as expected.